All my thoughts are running around inside my head. Emotions keep coming, they're keeping me from thinking straight. Thought it would be different when I got my things in place.
Hey my friends, I'm fixing to get ready to cook our dinner. I had this big plan to do like a summertime meal with you guys, but I think instead we're just gonna go with spaghetti, the old faithful. But this spaghetti is really, really good. It's got homemade meatballs in it. My kids ask for this multiple times a week. I think you're gonna love it. I know you haven't tried it because this is a recipe I made up myself, but don't get too excited because it's got quite a few store-bought ingredients. So it's kind of semi-homemade. It's not 100%, but let's go ahead and get started. Here are all the ingredients you're going to need today. Go ahead and screenshot this, and I will also have the full recipe topped up in the description box. But don't worry, I will have all the measurements and everything that you need topped up right there. I'm going to put 3 pounds of ground turkey, and it looks like 2 cups of Italian breadcrumbs. Do not get regular breadcrumbs. The Italian kind add a lot of good flavor to these meatballs. Here is the secret key ingredient. You're going to want to put about a half a bag of cheese. It looks like maybe a cup and a half is what that came out to. And I put half a cup of ketchup, but actually it's going to need a full cup, so I added a little bit more. One thing I forgot to do in my original picture was my eggs. You're just going to go ahead and add 2 eggs to this mixture. So once you get that done, I am going to use my hands to just knead this together as if I am kneading together a loaf of bread. I know this is kind of gross. This is how my mama did it. If you would prefer to wear gloves, please do that. But I just wash my hands extremely well before, after, and all throughout this process. So next, I am just going to spray my 2 frying pans with olive oil spray, and I'm turning my heat to medium low. And that way I can go ahead and get started making my meatballs. So you just want to roll your meatballs into meatballs. Basically, they're just little balls, and you put them in, and I'm just going to try to cook them all around the outside edges. This just kind of sears it all together so that once we add our sauce, it's actually going to not fall apart completely. So that is exactly what you want. And here we go. It is just sizzling up in the pan, and it smells good already. You can see the cheese kind of poking through. So this is going to be delicious. So just go ahead and turn it so you cook it on both sides.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best.
Next, I'm gonna just add some jarred Alfredo sauce. I'm not a big fan of jarred Alfredo sauce, y'all, but you know what? When you cook the meatballs in the sauce, it makes the sauce so much better. It turns it into almost like a totally different sauce. I really like I think it's called Bertolli. Is that how you say it? But that's my go-to favorite Alfredo sauce. You can buy it at Walmart. So I put 2 jars of Alfredo sauce in each frying pan, and then I'm going to fill up one of my jars with water. And so each frying pan is also going to get 1 full jar of water. It's going to look really, really soupy, but that is exactly what you want because we're going to cook these for about 40 minutes on medium low. So for me, I would say that's like a level 4 or 5 on the stove. And as you can see, I'm just going to turn these over several times during the cooking process to make sure they get cooked evenly on both sides. But I also am going to just take a little bit of the sauce and just kind of drizzle it over the top. This keeps everything moist, and you don't have to do this constantly. Just every so often, come over here and flip your meatballs and then drizzle a little bit of sauce, and you'll be just fine. So you'll have plenty of time to get some other things done while this cooks. One thing the Fly Lady taught me is you're going to want to fill up your sink with hot soapy water. That way, as you're cooking, you can just put your dirty dishes straight into the hot soapy water so it's ready for you to run the dishwasher as soon as you are done. But it is time for a quick coffee break because, like I said, the meatballs do have to cook for about 40 minutes. They're pretty big meatballs, so we just want to make sure they're cooked all the way through. And now I'm going to get a little bit of light cleaning done. I'm going to spray down my table with the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day all-purpose spray and the scent Fresh Cut Grass. This is a seasonal scent, and y'all, you have to try it. It smells so fresh and so good. I didn't think I would like it. I mean, the smell of grass, but it actually smells amazing. So, and also in this little segment here, if you can spot my newest addition, my little puppy named Charlie, she is somewhere hidden in these clips. So if you see her, comment a puppy emoji below and you will win a trophy emoji from me. So anyway, that's the best I could come up with, y'all. Now I'm just going to give this rug a quick cleaning. I love having a rug under my table. It catches all the crumbs and it's so easy to clean. And then I'm going to add a very simple centerpiece, just something low so that we can still see each other. It's just a weeknight, so I want to keep it very, very casual and simple. So it's been about 40 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and transfer all of these yummy meatballs into the bigger frying pan, and I'm going to pour the sauce right over the top of them. That way they can all continue to simmer and cook for another 15 to 20 minutes while I get my spaghetti noodles ready. And so altogether, these will have cooked for about an hour. So that will make sure that they are cooked all the way through. I take no chances when it comes to my meatballs. So I found these at Walmart grocery pickup. We're gonna give these a try. I've never seen these before. Garlic knots with real garlic. I'll let you know how these turn out.
All my thoughts are running round inside my head. Emotions keep coming, they're keeping me from thinking straight. Thought it would be different when I got my things.
Well, that was a fail. I'll burn them, but they would have been good probably. We'll try again next time. Even without the bread, this dinner turned out so good. Are you going to give this a try? If you are, please let me know in the comments below. Save this video, save it to your watch later so you can keep this recipe. And if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. I would love to have you back again, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, friends.
Be somebody else, another me that